Hey guys, we are back with another amazing video on cool Amazon gadgets. All product links are mentioned in the description. Drone camera. Drone with 1080p camera. A camera mounted on it can be manually adjusted to see what's in front of the drone while it's flying, or it can be aimed down to see what's directly below it. I'm sure you can take some interesting photos and videos, or even use it to inspect the roof of a house or other hard-to-reach areas. Friends can shoot each other skating and capture really cool videos. Remote control and app. You can fly the mini drone with remote control or a smartphone. But in order to capture video or images, you must be connected to the drone via Wi-Fi and the Hiturbo FPV app. Perfect for adults and kids, this drone is a little easier to operate than other drones. It has fewer steps to fly, no manual pairing required, so it's perfect for people just starting out. If you're considering learning how to fly a drone, make this drone your first one. Portable air compressor. 15,000 mAh large capacity, the all-in-one portable air compressor for car tires has a power bank that allows you to pump 7 vehicle tires, 22 motorcycles, 31 bicycles, 154 balls and other inflatables anywhere while working as a portable charger to charge phones, tablets, MacBooks and etc. Powerful 45W PDAN QC 3.0 output inflator boasts 3 times faster charge speed than portable tire inflators and 2 times faster than other portable chargers. After charging it 10 minutes with included fast-charging PDAN QC cigarette lighter adapter, you can inflate a tire right now. GS03 computer speakers. Heavy bass and stereo sound. Our speaker equips with advanced digital signal processor which deliver immersive clear and well-balanced sound. Wonderful colorful rich tone quality fills your room. Upgraded stereo and heavy bass will change your bad mood. 2 control methods equipped with 2 different methods of controlling volume, in addition to the ability to use convenient and quick buttons to control, retain the original control of the knob control feel. The Bluetooth speaker can connect normally and the signal remains stable under difficult conditions. Waterproof smartwatch. This Android smartwatches for women is compatible with iOS 9.0 and Android 4.4 or above smartphones. Accurate fitness tracker with 25 sports modes. The smartwatch for Android phones accurately records all-day activities such as steps tracker, calories burned counter, distances, and active minutes. This smartwatch for woman Android supports 25 sports modes to cover the needs of most sports enthusiasts. Allow you to get the real-time stats during your workouts on the watch. Perfect fitness watch for outdoor enthusiasts. Gaming monitor. 1800R curved monitor. The curved display delivers a revolutionary visual experience with a leading 1800R screen curvature as the images appear to wrap around you for an in-depth, immersive experience. HDMI, VGA, and PC audio and ports. High refresh rate 75 Hz brightness, CD/M superscript 2250 CD/M2. VESA wall mount ready, lamp life, 30,000 plus hours. Windows 10 Scepter monitors are fully compatible with Windows 10, the most recent operating system available on PCs, brightness, 220 CD/M2. USB-C hub. Transform your USB-C port. Introducing our 6-in-1 USB-C hub, which converts your single USB-C port into 6 additional ports, 1 HDMI, 4K, 1 VGA, 1080p, 1 gigabit Ethernet port, 2 USB 3.0 ports, and 1 100W PD charging port. This versatile hub expands your work opportunities whether you're at home, in the office, or on the go. Simple operation. This 6-in-1 USB-C hub features an advanced chip that expands your work opportunities and provides more stable performance. There's no need for any drivers or software, simply plug and play. Our docking station features 2 super-speed USB 3.0 ports that transfer data up to 5 gigabits per second. They support USB keyboards, mice, USB drives, and USB hard disks.